Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about error 408. What is the reason of this error and how you can resolve it. When the request to access a URL takes too long, the server closes the connection and the browser display a 408 request timeout message. The reason why the server closes the connection, it is because the server didn't receive a complete request from the client within the time frame it was prepared to wait. And this happens when there is a heavy load on either the server or the client system, or the internet connection is too slow to load the entire request within the time. Now let's go to the PC and I'm gonna show you how you can resolve this error. So now what you need to do, you need to go to the start menu, click on it, then click on settings, and here you need to click on network and internet. Click on that, scroll down, until you see network reset. Click on network reset and then click on reset now. Now you need to proceed with the network resetting. After you complete your network resetting, restart your PC and this error should be resolved. Now, if it didn't get resolved, then you can try the second option. What you need to do, you need to go to the search toolbar and search for CMD command prompt and run it as administrator. And here you need to type this code NETSH space winsock all capital letter space reset and click enter. Then click on IP config space slash flush DNS and click on enter. After you've done so, restart your computer and this error should be resolved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming videos. Take care. Goodbye.